Okay, today is Friday, March 12th, and today a gigantic crane is going to be driving up our street, hauling a big digging machine into our yard. Isn't that crazy? It's a beautiful day so far. It's a nice, balmy 46 degrees. I don't really know what balmy means, but it's a nice, sunny 46 degree day. Crane is here. The other machine just arrived. Okay, it's right there. This is a 20,000 pound machine. 20,000 pounds. The fact that it was sunny was actually significant because it had been raining for like a week prior to this. Crane is so close to the house. These are outriggers here. The outriggers basically lift the crane off the ground so that it's just entirely supported by these outrigger arms. So they had to move the crane, and now it's right in front of our door!
Alright, up it goes again. Second time's a charm.
So I'm so excited right now.
Okay, here it comes.
This big machine's gonna come into our backyard. We're finally making it happen. Why'd you stop? What broke? Okay, so after all that setup, the machine is still here. The crane was basically lifting it into the backyard when one of the outriggers it was resting on started to crack the cement. He said, better be safe and just get a bigger crane. 100,000 pound crane versus the 30,000 pound crane. So we are now going to be waiting for the bigger crane. What do we learn from this? When it rains, don't mess with cranes. You want a crane to reach to the sky, make sure the ground is nice and dry. Don't want your driveway to crack? Don't use a crane at all.